guys, we have dancing sensations from Dance India Dance, Shakti and Kuvar with us. Hello Shakti.
Hello.
Kuvar.
Hi.
Such a big achievement, calendar launch.
Yes.
What do you want to say?
Well, I would say this is one of the thrilling days in my life. Like nothing ever like this has been launched in India, where an individual artist has gone ahead and made a calendar. It was a lot of hard work, a lot of people's efforts behind this, and it has finally become very successful. So I really want to thank a lot of people.
How was the journey from your Dance India Dance season and this calendar launch?
Well, Dance India Dance was actually a big platform for me and for Kuvar. It gave us a lot of opportunities. We got a lot of recognition because of dance and Dance India Dance. So I think that was just the first step. And now we need to create pathways for ourselves and do something and have something new in the industry come. So I think this was one of the efforts. Nritya Shakti was one of those things that would create a buzz in the industry about dance.
Okay, dance is a motion, but when it comes to pictures, what do you want to say?
Well, my photographer Praveen Talan had rightly put, and I'm not so good with words, but he said something like, to watch you is like poetry in motion. I don't really understand that, but I all I know is that I love dancing, and when I do it, I feel I'm in another world. So I think that's what people see in me. So thanks.
Which is a favorite picture from this calendar?
Well, Kuvar and I have the similar favorites, so I think I would want him to speak.
First of all, the calendar is amazing. It's truly international. I love each and every pic. But the most favorite is the picture, January. Because I feel, for an artist and a dancer, उसकी आंखें बातें करती हैं. And in January, her pic is just brilliant. And she's talking with her face, with her eye, with her body. Just amazing.
Okay. The most important question to cover you, that what is the USP of Shakti?
शक्ति के बारे में आई थिंक आई हैव मैं शायद बोल नहीं पाऊंगा क्योंकि शी इज जस्ट अमेजिंग इन डांसिंग. आई थिंक जब मैं डीआईडी में आया था मैंने लाइफ में बहुत सारे डांसर्स देखे थे, बट डांसर लाइक हर, अ फीमेल डांसिंग लाइक हर इज अमेजिंग एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट शी जस्ट स्टार्टेड अ न्यू ट्रेंड. एंड एक्चुअली हम लोगों को सच में डांसिंग ने बहुत कुछ दिया. सो इफ वी आर डूइंग समथिंग जिससे डांसिंग लोगों की नज़र में आए और लोग अपना करियर डांसिंग के लिए बनाए, सो इट्स अमेजिंग एंड इज ऑल द क्रेडिट गोज टू शक्ति.
Oh God, so sweet, Kuvar.
Okay, which is your favorite dance form?
My favorite dance form is contemporary. I feel very connected to it, and I owe it to Terence sir, who has trained me. And मतलब वो कहते हैं ना, घिस देते हैं, कैसे पॉलिशिंग होती है, वो उन्होंने कर दिया है. तो contemporary is like me.
How about you?
Actually, before Dance India Dance, I was a hip hop dancer, freestyle. डांस इंडिया डांस में आया, टेरेंस सर मिले, जब बताया, घिस दिया कंटेम्प्रेरी में. सो अ न्यू डांस फॉर्म आई लर्न एंड आई एम इन लव विद कंटेम्प्रेरी एंड सच अमेजिंग पार्टनर आई गॉट, जिससे मुझे और सीखने को मिला, जिसने मेरी बहुत हेल्प करी. And
he is just versatile. He can pick up any form just like that.
No, she's too good, so.
Okay, can you do some latka jhatkas for our audiences? Some New Year jhatkas?
New Year jhatkas.
New Year jhatkas.
Okay, few words for your gurus, Geeta Ma, Terence sir and Remo sir.
जरूर. आज जो मेरे कैलेंडर लॉन्च पे आए थे, रेमो सर, टेरेंस सर, संदीप सर, गणेश आचार्य जी एंड ZTV के बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सन जिन्होंने डांस इंडिया डांस क्रिएट किया है, वो हैं आशीष जी. ये लोग आए तो एज इन for me everything was like perfect at that moment. Standing with them on the stage, them launching the calendar was unbelievable. They are damn sweet that they took out time for me and they came here, and that was really really nice. मतलब रेमो सर जब से उन्होंने मुझे डांस करते हुए देखा, he maintains that, he says wow to me after every performance, and today he said it, that meant a lot.
Dance is such a divine thing. So what do you guys think that over time that how it has been changed?
Well, dance, I think for every dancer it's another definition for everybody. For me, it is when I'm dancing, I forget about everything, and I want every movement to be perfect. So it means different to everyone. I can't say it's divine or it's this or that. It's something that I feel very passionate about, and I just love it.
Okay, the last question. One message to all the dancers who are still struggling and want to become like you people. So what do you want to say?
Oh, well, I feel so strongly for all the dancers who are working very hard and are very, very passionate about dance. I would say I have been there. I have been a background dancer. I have trained for years. Trust me, there is a way. And I would wish you all the best and all the luck in the world, so that you all become something that you all want to be. And really, really love all of you. That love, especially have a lot of feelings for all the dancers.
True. I mean, guys, ऐसा होता है, like people feel we are struggling for so many years and we are not getting anything and all. But trust me, if you're able to dance, I think you have a gift from God.
Yeah.
So maintain this gift and keep on dancing, guys, because we all struggle. We are not like हम लोग कहीं से वो क्या हम लोग background dancing करी है बहुत सालों तक. And after all the struggle and all the training, we are here. So if you work hard, if you be loyal to dancing, dancing is gonna be with you. Don't worry.
Thank you so much, Shakti
Thanks
and
a
Kumar,
lot.
for talking to us. Well, this was Shakti and Kumar with us, with cameraman Puneet Rawat. This is Rohit Bhatnagar for Rajshri.com.